This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Barca Benson Real Estate Team. Less than bedroom greater than Caroline Barca and Marcia Benson. Restored with modern finishes and still as charming as when the home was first built. Attractive features include Dade County pinewood floors, beadboard walls, bathroom with clawfoot tub, tiled step-in shower, recessed can lighting, modern kitchen with granite and fine cabinetry. The warm interior is naturally bright with many windows, higher ceilings, French doors, fireplace and old-style built-in cabinet in dining room. Upstairs is currently being used as a master with large walk-in closets, updated bathroom and dormer windows for architectural beauty. Outside is a spacious covered front porch, brick patio and long driveway. Square footage of main home is 1,972. Behind the main home is a 350 square feet efficiency apartment that can be privately accessed from the alley in the rear property. Live, work, Airbnb, office and many more possibilities. This property is zoned urban neighborhood and conveniently located in trendy downtown mixed-use neighborhood. For more information, review the details below or contact Barca Benson Real Estate Team. Less than bedroom greater than Caroline Barca and Marcia Benson at 772-485-2216.